Hello, my name is Tanvi, and the title of my speech is The Indian Youth. A lotus blossom, its head held high, its fragrance a potent spell on the air, and this isn't a mere spectacle. This is the captivating energy of our Indian youth. This is their story, a vibrant tapestry woven with hope, determination, and an unwavering spirit of a nation on the rise. History is filled with examples of how social unrest has been the catalyst for change. The youth has always played a pivotal role in bringing down oppressive systems and demanding freedom. Unlike those burdened by conformity, these come with fresh eyes and are able to recognize the cracks in the established orders. Although the fire ignited by the youth may flicker at times, but it never truly dies. Do you remember the 2000s wave of call centers? A time when India was considered a gold mine for labor. And it was at that time that working in a call center was considered the pinnacle of youth aspirations. Well, we have witnessed a metamorphosis. Today, the Indian youth isn't chasing jobs. No, sir. We are building empires. We are the masterminds behind the flourishing wave of startup ecosystems that propel the very engines of our economic growth. We are pushing the boundaries of science and technology and ditching traditional scripts for uncharted territories brimming with alternative career choices. What truly sets India apart is its holistic approach to life. Their spiritual core fosters inner peace and acts as a moral compass that fuels their drive. Unlike their Western counterparts, success for them isn't just about materialistic gains. Figures such as Lord Rama, who's the embodiment of righteousness, and Swami Vivekananda, who preaches about self realization, serve as inspiration for combining ambition with purpose. The young Indian generation is the heartbeat of our nation. So instead of clipping their dreams, we need to become the wind beneath their wings. In fact, they are the architects of our future, building it brick by brick. As Roosevelt rightly said, that we can't always build a future for our youth, but we can always build the youth for our future. With this, I shall end. Thank you so much.